Hi, kids. My name is Brett Finn. I was a very good student at this school. Never got suspended, never got in trouble. But I'm here to give you a virtual tour of the swimming pool today. Oh, the door unlocks magically, so anybody can just go in. You know, families can come in here. It's a real nice thing. So families can just get in here anytime they want. It's open to the public. It was built a couple of years ago in Let's go see the
Going to the creek, going to the creek.
We're in the middle of the highway.
We are going to the creek.
Going to the creek.
Yeah. Is that the creek?
No, Chris, that's a horse.
Oh! Is that the creek right there? See it?
No, Chris, that's a tree.
Oh, I knew that. Hey, is that the creek right there? You see it?
No, Chris, that's the ground.
Oh, I knew that. Hey, is that the creek? See it?
No, Chris, that's the horse again.
Oh, I knew that. Oh my God! What?
Cody!
Where?
Right there!
Where?
Right there, right in front of me!
Don't let him
Right in front of me! It's Cody! Cody! Cody!
Going to the creek. We're going to the creek.
Come on, Chris!
We're going to the creek.
Oh my God! Is that a lake?
No, Chris, that's another pond.
Oh, Rich.
I'm looking for a place to start, and everything feels so different now.
Just grab a hold of my hand. I will.
Cody! Where are you? Where?
Spider-Man! Splash Cody! Oh! Splash Chris! Oh!
Shut up, Cody.
You shut up!
No, you shut up.
You shut up!
No, you shut
You
up.
shut up!
You shut up.
You shut up!
You shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You
You
shut
up.
up.
You shut up.
No, you shut up!
No, you shut
No,
up.
you shut up!
No, you shut up.
You shut up!
You shut up.
I shut up?
I shut up.
Yeah, you shut up!
No, you shut up.
Say you shut up!
No, you
You
shut
say
up.
You shut up!
Shut up.
Ah!
You retarded.
Yo, you're retarded!
No, you
You're
retarded.
retarded!
You retarded.
Shut up!
No, you shut up.
You shut up!
No, you shut
You're
up.
retarded!
No, you
I'm
retarded.
retarded?
Yeah, you retarded.
No, you retarded!
No, you
Yeah,
retarded.
yeah, yo, you shut up!
You freak.
Kids today.